Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, a palisade fence does offer a sense of security, a barrier between yourself and the streets, and between yourself and possibly your neighbor, but it offers very little in terms of privacy. You could build a brick wall, but that's going to cost you a fortune. Today, I'm going to show you how you can save some money in your pocket by using corrugated sheeting. Let me show you how. So the products you'll need to complete the task are your Corrugated roof sheeting, which you can order from your local builders. It comes in various colors and lengths, so order enough to cover up the area of palisade you need. You will also need an electric drill with steel drill bits, 3mm and 4.2 respectively, a hammer, a punch, a spirit level, a carpenter square, tape measure and pencil, a rivet gun, 4 by 12mm rivets, safety equipment, you need safety goggles and gloves. And according to how tall your palisade fence is, you might just need a step ladder to assist you. I'm also going to use the step ladder to help prop up my corrugated sheeting. Another disclaimer is that it might just be slightly too heavy for one person to handle, so you might just need an extra pair of hands. So the first thing you're going to need to do is mark out where you're going to make your holes on your palisade fence. Once you've marked it with your pencil, you take your punch and hammer and just mark that hole in order to get your drill bit in there. Just so much easier when drilling holes, especially through metal. So using my carpenter's tool, I've marked out exactly where I'm going to drill my first hole on the corrugated sheeting. So all I need to do now is, using that same drill bit that you've drilled through on the palisade fence, you're going to make a hole in the corrugated roof sheeting, and that is where you're going to put your pop rivet through and put it on the fence. Now remember, you are working with very sharp edges on this corrugated roof sheeting, so make sure that you put on a pair of gloves in order to protect your hands. Well, the great thing about the corrugated roof sheeting is that it comes in IBR as well as corrugated, and comes in a multitude of colors to choose from. The paint is corrosive free, requires very little maintenance, and should last you for many, many years to come. Well, for more on projects like this and many others, get to our YouTube channel as well as our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.